This is my project. This can be done by using the Scratch 3. Now move to the our programming concept only. So here our intention is whenever we are going for the either mobile or computer or calculator anything, we can do the some arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, increment operation, decrement operation. This increment operation can be represented as a plus plus. Decrement operation can be represented as a minus minus only. So these all the left hand side whatever the functions is there, these are represented for which operation you want to do. So right side operations, right side corner, whatever the symbols is there, these are can be represented as a for resultant values only. So here the sprite can be represented here for the division operation different manner. I kept like that one. This one is the sprite, and next one is the variable number 1 and variable number 2. Who is here is this block is who is doing this operation. So this is our entire programming. So by using this functionalities, we can do the addition operation, then we can, by using this, we can show the resultant values only. So that is our intention, but is my thought for in order to doing this one. So our coding is required, like the code is in the form of a blocks at the initial stage. This is an sprite. So the sprite initial stage I'm indicating as a as a triggering block. Whenever the triggering is clicked, but then I said to the sprite say hello to the friends. That's why I indicated say hello only. Next, after that, once we said the hello, then giving the chance to the user, what is your name? Suppose then I am clicking the triggering. Once you say once hello, then automatically it will be asking what is your name. Suppose I am indicating as a Ramesh. As your wish, according to your wish, we can ask your name. You can write your name only. Then this is the player name. Ramesh I have written, but this can be placed at the player name. That's why I set this one. Set player name to answer. So whatever I am giving the answer, that should be set as a player name. What is my player name? Ramesh. That's why it will be set as a player name. Like that, I have designed the communication process between the sprite and the user. Once this will be over, then based on the your triggering, then the operations can be done. So only the logic is only one logic. That logic can be copy pasted on. What is my intention? Whenever clicking any of this function, suppose I want to do the addition operation. First, when you are clicking on the addition operation, then this triggering can be connected. Means when I receive a plus, because of I have press on the add operation. Whenever I receive a plus, this block can be executed. Whenever I receive a subtraction, when I click on the subtraction, this block can be executed on. When I press a multiplication operation, this block can be executed. Whenever press a division operation, this block can be executed on. Whenever the increment operation, this block can be executed. Similarly, decrement operation, this block can be executed only. Suppose I want to do the increment operation, then I am clicking the plus operation, then it will be asking. If you want to increment the operation, then it's require a variable, one variable, which value we need to increase. Suppose I am according to your requirement, you can give as your wish. Suppose I have given the 456, then enter. So variable number 1 filled with the 456. Which operation you want to do? Increment operation. That is the 457. One value can be increased. Suppose if you want to do the decrement operation, one value can be decreased. 455. Why one value can be increasing? Why not 2? Why not 3? If you do like that, then you can change the code very simple. So increment operation. Say what I have given, whenever the variable number 1, this color belongs to the variable number 1. Whenever the variable number 1 is receiving, for that value we need to increase the 1. Suppose if I give the 2, I give the 2, then I am going for the code block. Here when you are pressing the C letter, then automatically values are cleared. Variable number 1, variable number 2 is clear. I have written the program like that one. I will show that one also. In the sound block, I kept the logic. When C key pressed, whenever the C is pressed, set variable number 1 to 0, set variable number 2 is also 0. So this is our intention. So that's why when your C is pressed, automatically variable number 1 0, variable number 2 is also 0. Then let's move to the increment operation. What is our change? Whatever the variable number 1 we are giving, that should be added with the two numbers, that is the resultant value. Then I am going for the increment operation. Plus operation I want to do. Then when you are clicking on the number, then it will be asking, giving the choice to the user, what is your number? According to your requirement, you can give any number only. Suppose easy purpose, I am taking the simplest values. 23 I have given. So that is my first variable number. 23 plus 2, that is equal to 25. Suppose if you give the 5, then what is the value? 23 plus 5, 28. Like that only. According to your requirement, you can do. Suppose if you go for the decrement operation, 23, then 23 minus 1, that is equal to 22, because I have not changed the code. Here I am indicating as a 1 for the code. Then I am going for the decrement operation. What is our decrement operation? Only 1 I have given. Suppose if you give the 4, so if you give the 4, what is the 23? I am giving the, what are the variable number 1 is there. From that variable number, we need to decrease the 4 value only. Now we can go for the decrement operation. 23 minus 4, that is the 19. 23 minus 4, that is the 19. Suppose if you give the 2 value, then you can go for the 23 minus 2, that is equal to 21. So the entire application can be controlled or depends upon the your coding logic one. According to your way of thought, the entire operation can be controlled only. I hope everyone can understood this way of logic. Thank you.